How to send Bitcoin from Revolut to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Revolut account. After that, click on the option of Hub at the bottom right hand side corner. Then you would be able to find the option of crypto. Simply select it. Now search for BTC in the search bar, and this way you would be able to find Bitcoin. Simply click on it. After that, you will be able to find the option of send. Click on it. Now click on the option of new at the top right hand side corner, and now it will ask you whether you want to send it, your Bitcoin to be precise, to any crypto wallet or to any contact. Simply select it accordingly, and after that it will ask you to paste the address. Now we need to paste the address from Binance since we are sending it to Binance. So just hit up to Binance, or if you are sending it to someone else, ask for their Binance Bitcoin address, but make sure that you ask for Bitcoin network's address. And for that, just let me show you how you can get it. For this, open up Binance, go to your wallet section, and after that click on the option of spot at the top. Now select the option of deposit, then wait for it to load, and here select the option of BTC since it is the ticker for Bitcoin. And after that you need to choose the network, and in the network we will select Bitcoin. And here just copy the address, get back to your Revolut, and on Revolut just paste that particular address that we just copied from Binance, and after that send the Bitcoin. This is how you would be able to send the Bitcoin from your Revolut to Binance account, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.